Welcome to online classes students. So today in our EVS class, as we have done in our maths class the worksheet, in our EVS class we are also going to do our worksheet. From the worksheet we are going to learn about time. Okay, about time. So open your worksheet. Okay, this one the worksheet and the page number is 15. This one, hope you got it. Now, read that question, just take over date, okay. Now here we have to draw a clock in each boxes and we have to show the time of different activity. When we wake up, when we take our bus, okay, when we, your school recess time, and then you have your dinner at what time, and then when you do your homework, and you play on which time, you have to show by a clock. So by which clock you have to show this? See, this one is your example. By this example you can see which kind of clock you have to make. See, hope this one easy for you. I have shown you. Now students, the first one is you get up early in the morning. When? At 6 a.m. So you can see this clock show the time of 6 a.m. The red, we can see the red one and the blue pick one, okay, show the minute and the hands, right, which known as clock hand. So one show the minute and one show the hours, okay. So let's start it. As now your school bus come on which time? If I take right answer, that 8 a.m. right? 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. So we can see if there is 7 a.m. So how we have to show? 1, 2, there will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here will be 8, 9, 10, 11, and this one is 12. Here will be 1. I will take here and here is 1. So student, one more thing you can see. Okay, so we will take a short hand and one long hand for show the timing. Now when your school bus come at 1 a.m. so 7 a.m. so where is 7? We will show with a small hand, okay. This one is your small hand. Hope this one is correct. Okay, this one I have shown the 7 o'clock. Now the big hand go to here. So you can see that the small hand on 7 will show the hour time and the big hand goes to minute. So very simple, we can see on which time you go for when you take your school bus. Now the second one is your school recess time on which time you having your recess. I think on 12:30, right? On 12:30 you got your recess. So let's show this one. Very simple. Again we will take here, make a new clock when we have a small and the long one is on. Long was on 30. Okay, so we can simply see that the recess timing is 12:30 p.m. because it's a afternoon time. So we will take here p.m. Students, you can see, as I said, this one is hour hand, which means small hand show the hour. So which hour is showing? 12. Okay. Now the big hand goes to minutes. So you can say this one is minute. So on PM, which means in the afternoon, we have our recess. That's why it's known as our lunch. Okay. The breakfast timing is 8 to 10 or 7 to 10 to 6 to 10. But recess, which means it's time to take our lunch. Okay. Now we have to show them with the time that you have your dinner at. On which timing you have your dinner. Okay. So I can see that you are taking your dinner at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Let's take your dinner at 9 o'clock, right? I will take again. Okay. The short hand go to 9. Okay. And the big one go to 'So you can see on which timing you are taking your dinner at 9 o'clock PM. Never forget to take a PM or AM. You can see on your last where do we use AM and where do we use PM. PM, which means from the midnight, from midnight 12 AM to 12 PM. Okay, from midnight, this one is midnight. Okay, take as midnight. This midnight go as, okay, and it's your AM. But after taking this down, when 2 comes here, 12 come here, and then we start here again. Okay, that's become PM. Okay, hope you got this very clearly. If you don't have, then share your problems regarding time. I will show it again. I will show from my watch to you. Don't worry. Or a big watch for you. Okay. So we can simply see that on 9 PM we are taking our dinner. Or you can take that you are taking from 9:10. So you can take a minute to 2. If you are taking 9:15. Okay. So you can take here, which means half past, quarter past, quarter to. So you have to show it from all the things that you have given in the clock, right? So this one is, hope so that one is clear for you. Now you you do your homework on which timing? On which timing you are doing your homework? Hope so on 5. Take as 7 PM. So how we have to show 7? So take a 7 short clock, right? Which means shorthand, the hour hand, and take on 15. Okay. This one we have to make a big one. So we have shown our timing about our homework. So this one is PM. We always do our homework mostly in our evening session. So whenever there is afternoon, evening, so we use our PM. Okay, in the afternoon, in the evening, or in the night we use PM. But after 12 midnight we start to use AM. Okay, so remember this one. We have done this. Okay. We taken our dinner and now you play at on time. I think so 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock in the PM. Is it anybody happens that you go for the 5 or 4 AM for the playing? No, no. So we will take 5 o'clock as you go for a playing. Okay. So you can take 5. This one is a short and this one is a long. My drawing is not good as you, but I can, take an example for you. You can see this one is 5 PM. Hope you got it, everybody. When we do use AM, we use AM in the morning, and when we use our PM, we are using our PM after the afternoon 12 PM. Okay, and from the midnight to afternoon we use AM, that is morning session, and after the afternoon session to night session we use PM. So please remember this one. Because I have given an easy example for you that how we can learn all these things. Okay. Now students, there is months and days in the next page. In the next page you all having your months and date. So you have to find out there are 12 months in a year. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday is the first day of the week. So this one is, you have to remember all these things. Now which months having the 31 days, and which months having 30 days, and one of the months having 28 days, and you have to find out yourself. This is months of year. Okay. Now find out the following dates and mark them on the calendar given below. Now you have to find out the new year. On which day we celebrate as New Year? 1st of January. So you can take a circle to that one and you can make that day. Now we all know when we celebrate our Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October and Gurpurab 30th December, right? Children's Day 40th November, and Christmas 25th December, Baisakhi 40th April, Onam that is going for, I think, in this month. I don't remember that month, but you can find out. Diwali you can find out because it's not an exact date we have. Holi you can find out. Your own birthday you have to find out. As my birthday I can find out on July. Okay, Eid you have to find out. And yes, the last one is your best friend birthday. How can you forget that, right? You can forget your own, but you can't forget your best friend birthday. So always remember your best friend birthday, otherwise he or she will kill you. Okay. So this one you have to do yourself. This is your homework. That is month of year, where we have to find the days which is given to us, and learn the things which we have to remember. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Okay, be safe at your home.